friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Today we're going to be playing with the new Colourpop and Lizzie McGuire collection. Look how stinking cute. I'm so excited for this. I love a good collab and this is so fun. I love Lizzie McGuire. I'm so excited for this collection. This collection is launching on the 26th at 10 a.m. PST. I'm so happy I got this collection early so I could get a video up before it launched for you. This collection includes palette, glosses, glitters, lip scrub, blushes. It includes a lot and I'm really excited to talk about it with you. Colourpop did send me this collection. A big thank you to them if they do watch this, but this video is not sponsored. I'm making it on my own free will. I do also have a discount code with Colourpop. It probably won't work on this collab. It doesn't usually work on collabs, but it did work on the Bambi one. It's 5 Butte Bean. It'll save you $5 on orders 25 or more. It's worth a shot if you want to try to save $5. I don't make any commission off of that code. It's just for you to save money. As usual with these first impressions videos, it is just a first impression. It's my first and only time using this collection. However, I am pretty familiar with Colourpop products at this point, so I'll give you my thoughts to the best of my ability on the collection at the end of the video, but just keep in mind this is my first and only time using it. All right, before we hop into chatting about the products, breaking it down, doing swatches, doing the tutorial, let me just give you my details. This choker is from Shop Sun & Co. You can use my affiliate code BUTEBEAN for 10% off. These plugs, which I feel like are the most perfect plugs for this collection, my goodness. These are from Hear No Evil Jewelry on Etsy. You can use my non-affiliated discount code BUTEBEAN for 10% off. This is a Chrisma brand wig. Check my FAQ in the description box if you need spelling. And this is a Neff brand beanie. All right, so let's just hop in, chat about the products, do swatches, all that good stuff, and then do the tutorial. All right, first things first, we got a lip scrub and I'm so excited. It is called the Bubblegum Lip Scrub and it smells and tastes delightful. I'm so excited about adding a new lip scrub to my collection. Colourpop does a really good job with theirs. We got two blushes. We got Delish and You Are Magnifico. Delish is a bit more of a lighter cool tone pink and the You Are Magnifico one is more of a darker, more rosier pink. They do both have sparkle in it. I feel like the sparkle is pretty prominent, but it doesn't look like chunky glitter. It just looks kind of sparkly glowy, if that makes sense. I'm not overly excited about these, but I do like the one that I played with today. I think it's pretty, but I just feel like Colourpop needs to either start doing really inventive pressed blushes or just stop doing them for a while because it's starting to feel a little repetitive. We got two So Juicy lip gloss duos. We got the Lizzie and Miranda one and the Ethan Craft and Gordo one. Lizzie is a clear with rainbow sparkles. Miranda is a pink with peach sparkles. Ethan Craft is like an orangey shade with peach sparkles and Gordo is a purple with rainbow sparkles. But with these So Juicy glosses, kind of like universally across the board with their So Juicy glosses, they all look pretty similar on the lips. They're very sheer, they're very comfortable. It's one of my personal favorite gloss formulas. These also smell like bubblegum, like the lip scrub, which is very delightful. So I'm excited about these, but I don't think you would need all of them, if that makes sense, because they're gonna look pretty similar. We got two Glitterally obsessed glitters. We got Get a Grip and Sing to Me, Paolo. I'm so excited about these. Get a Grip is a pink with holographic-y, rainbowy sparkles, and Sing to Me, Paolo is like a clear with holographic-y, rainbowy sparkles. I'm really excited about these. I really like the Glitterally Obsessed. They're not meant to be used around the eye area. They're meant more for body, face, hair, that kind of stuff. I personally will use them around my eyes, but you're not supposed to. I did use it on my cheek today as kind of like a highlighty, glittery thing. I think these are fun. I really like this glitter formula. And finally, we have the What Dreams Are Made Of palette. I'm so excited. I think the packaging is so stinking cute across the board with this collection, but this palette in particular is so adorable. We have a 12 pan palette on the inside. This does include a pressed glitter. I actually didn't realize it was a glitter until I got it in person because it's so finely milled, and it does feel very finely milled, but just be warned, there is a glitter in case that bothers you. I'd prefer it to not be there, but I just learned to live around it, honestly. It's a mostly colorful palette. It's really, really cute. We don't really have very many neutral shades in here. We have the Done and Done shade, which is kind of neutral, and we have kind of this more champagne-y, creamy shade. Even this shade is more pink than neutral pink than I expected, and I think it's really cute. I love the bright greens. There are a couple sequin shadows in here, which aren't my favorite either, but I just kind of pretend that they're mattes. Overall, I think the color story is really cute, and I actually had quite a few people tag me and DM me when pictures of this palette started floating around, because literally so recently in my spring favorites video, I talked about how my favorite colors for spring this season for some reason are greens, purples, pinks, and peaches, and that's literally what's in here. So that's pretty exciting to me. I think it's a pretty cute theme and color story. I do feel like Colourpop plays with greens and purples a lot when they do their colorful palettes, but I do think it's cute all put together. So yeah, that's the collection broken down with some swatches. I hope that was helpful for you if you were trying to make some decisions, but let's just move forward now and actually play with the products, and I'll give you my thoughts so far at the end. Hello, how's it going? I'm so excited. I just got this in the mail like a little over an hour ago, and I'm so pumped. I'm happy that I'm off today to be able to film with this and get it up for you before it launches. So yeah, hello, how's it going? At this point, I've already done my brows, foundation, concealer, powder, and bronzer because we're gonna do blush together. I did also already use the bubblegum lip scrub. I did that like before I started my makeup, and it's delightful. The bubblegum flavor and scent is so cute. I can't take it, and I love the lip scrubs from Colourpop. I'm still using my Hello Kitty one. I'm so excited to have another new lip scrub. Okay, so we have two blush options today. We have Delish and You Are Magnifico, and I think I want to use the You Are Magnifico one because I like a darker blush. At first when I saw these, I was pretty not excited because I feel like we see pink blushes from Colourpop all the time, but I will say when I saw them in person and when I swatched them, they feel a bit creamier than their other pressed powder blushes, and they're a lot more glittery in my opinion, which I'm pretty excited about. I love a glowy, glittery blush, so let's see. That was a tongue twister. I'm just going in with this Alter Ego number 3 brush. I'm just gonna pop that in and start dabbing on some blush. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, yes. I love a bright pink blush in the springtime. I think it's adorable. Just gonna go pretty heavy with the blush today because why not? That's a Hilary Duff song. The Hilary Duff CD, the Why Not one, that was like one of my first CDs in my whole life as a kid. I also literally just watched the Lizzie McGuire movie like maybe 3 weeks ago as I was doing some cleaning and packing here in the house. So this could not have come at a better time. It's a really, really cute blush. I feel like the glitter isn't, no, the glitter's pretty prominent. Not insanely, like it doesn't look chunky, but there's definitely some sparkle on my skin. But I'm good with that. I think it's cute. I'm just gonna add just a little bit to my apples, just kind of using the leftover that's on the brush. And now let's just blush up the nose because I'm Betty Jean and I love nose blush. I basically just want to look like a cartoon character today because, you know, theming. Just gonna take my beauty sponge I did my makeup with just to pounce over everything and make sure it blends in. I think the blush is cute. Is it anything that revolutionary for Colourpop? Not really. I feel like they haven't come out with one this bright in a while. Like they've done a lot of pinks, but this is very much like a pretty saturated, vibrant pink. And I like it. I think it's cute. I'm just gonna really quick throw on a couple fake freckles, maybe a lot. I don't know how freckled I wanna be. And then once my freckles are set, we will move on to highlight, and for that I'm going to use a shadow from the palette because there isn't a highlight in this collection, but I think one of the eyeshadows in the palette might work for me. It might be a little too dark, but we'll see. And I might top a glitter on my cheeks at the end as like a glittery highlight, but we'll also kind of just see how I'm feeling, see how it's flowing and going, you know? So for highlight, I'm thinking let's use this shade and see how it works. It's called Bye Bye. These are cute. I'm just gonna take that on my highlight brush and we'll see how it goes. Oh yeah, that should be fine. It will get the job done. Oh, that's cute. Nice and glowy. I don't know what I want to do for my eye makeup. I mean, I want to play with all the bright colors, obviously. I'm just not quite sure exactly what we're gonna do yet. Well, the face is done, so now we're just gonna move on and I'm gonna spray my face with some setting spray and then we'll move on to the eyes. So let's just go ahead and prime our eyes to start with. I'm using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I'm gonna spread it out, blend it out, and I'm not gonna set it because I don't prefer to do that. So let's see, let's go in with Outfit Repeater. I want that kind of in my outer corner a little bit, so let's try that. I'm gonna use this Colourpop E22 brush. This is a sequin shadow, which isn't my favorite. I'd prefer it to just be matte, but I'm just gonna pretend it's matte and we'll call it a day. That's a cute color, very bright. I'm just gonna take that a little bit through the crease, not all the way because I do want this front portion to have that green. I am craving it. I'm also going to tuck this under the lower lash line, mostly focused in the outer corner. Kinda, sorta, something like that. Very cute. I'm gonna blend that shade out with the UGG shade. The names are so cute. I'm just taking this on an old OMFG blending brush. This shade in particular is more pigmented than I expected, especially when I was swatching it, which swatches don't tell everything, but it was a lot more rich and saturated than it appears in the pan, which makes me happy. I'm always down for richer tones. Oh, this is going well so far. I actually want to take the So Mature shade on just another small blending brush. This is also a sequin shadow, but just gonna pretend it's a matte, and I just want to pop some of this down here in the front portion of my lower lash line. Oh, it's so cute. I love peaches and corals. It's so pretty. I'm just gonna take that other big fluffy brush just to help blend and merge everything together down here. So now I wanna take the Don't Freak shade, that bright, bright green that I'm thrilled about. I wanna take that and just really blend it out here in this inner portion. I'm just gonna keep layering it up and blending it around so that we have a nice, bright, chartreusey, limey pop right in the front. Oh yes. Colors like this fuel my soul. I'm trying not to make it overlap the pink too much, just because pink and green, they can be a little opposite on the color wheel, because pink is just a less saturated version of a red, and red and green are complementary, so if you blend them together too much, they can muddy out. So I'm just being a little careful not to overly blend where the pink is. Oh my gosh, look how cool that is. I love it, love it, love it. Now I want to take Digital Bean and I want to deepen up my outer corner with that. I'm just going to take that on this e.l.f. tapered blending brush. And I want to pop this in the outer portion just to deepen it up, add some purple into the mix. I think it's so pretty. This palette is the definition of spring vibes for me personally right now. I feel like my eye look almost looks tie-dye right now. It's kind of cool. And now I'm just gonna go back in with just a little bit more with Outfit Repeater, just to blend along that purple just a little bit. Oh, I love how this is looking. Isn't that so cute? Gonna take just a teensy bit more of the bright green just to re-intensify right here. And then we'll move on to the lid and cut creasy stuff. So I wanna cut it with Dear Diary and have it fade down into Hello Fabulous. It's so cute. I'm really liking this eye look so far. I'm gonna take that on this Colourpop E4. It's a nice big flat brush, and of course some NYX Glitter Primer because I use it with every shimmer. I'm just gonna spread that across my lid, and I'm just gonna kind of go right above my natural crease and follow the roundness of my eyeball, and I'm gonna stop it where it's really deepening up in the outer corner. So going in first with Dear Diary, right there. I'm just going to follow that cut, just like so. Oh, this bright green. I love it so much. That is such a beautiful color. I'm just gonna put a little extra right here in the first third. So I like my multiple shimmers to lay at a diagonal. If you've been here before, you know. If you didn't, now you know. So now I'm going in with Hello Fabulous on the same brush, just using the clean side because there's no point in dirtying another brush. I've already dirtied enough brushes with this look. Oh, that purple is really cute. It's like kind of muted, but also still vibrant. I don't really know how to explain it. It's pretty cute though. And then I'm just gonna go back and forth with the green and the purple until they merge together nicely. And now I'm gonna take my little e.l.f. brush that I had with the purple matte. I don't have any additional product on this brush. I'm just gonna smudge so that the mattes and shimmers flow together nicely. Now for the inner corner, I wanna take Outfit Rememberer. Oh man. It's so precious. I used quite a bit of shadows in this look. I used a lot of them, most of them. Oh, this was fun. This was a fun one. I love how that came out. I think that's so fun, isn't it? I think maybe let's put some of the glitter. Is this the Sing to Me Paolo one? I hope so. Yes, Sing to Me Paolo. I'm having a blast right now. This is such a beautiful glitter. I love it, love it, love it. And I wish that there wasn't a pressed glitter in the palette because why? We are getting standalone glitters. That's all we need. I have too much on my finger. Well, let's just do some tippy tap, some glitter on the highlight. Because why not? It's so fun. Oh yes. Got some in my wig too, that's okay. Friendly fire. That's a lot of fun right there. Okay, well at this point I'm gonna repeat this eye look on the other eye, throw on my lashes, eye pencil, and one of the glosses. I'm thinking it's gonna be the purple one, Gordo. That one's screaming to my soul. I don't think it's gonna look purple on my lips, but that is the one that I'm attracted to. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when I'm done. All right, this is the look complete. I was fighting with my lashes for way too long. It's one of those days where they just did not want to cooperate, but we're here now. The eye pencil I paired with it is Chartreuse Flash from NYX. I just felt like it complemented that bright green so well. The lashes that I was fighting with are the Oh Dear lashes from Colourpop, and I did go with that Gordo gloss. It smells like bubblegum, it's delightful. I do feel like the plumping sensation in this particular gloss is more plumping than all the other So Juicy ones I've ever tried. I don't know if it's in my head, but that's how I feel. So yeah, this is the look complete. I love all the glitter on my cheeks. I think it's so fun. Let me zoom you out and I'll give you my thoughts so far on the collection. All right, I think Lawnmower Man is gone for me to film the outro to this video. Hello, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you liked this look that I created. I think it's so fun. It's so bright and colorful. I love this bright green color. I love it next to the pinky purples. It's doing good things for me. All right, let me just quickly break everything down to the best of my ability so far. Love the lip scrub. Big fan, such a cute scent and flavor and packaging. I'm about this. This might be like my favorite thing in the whole collection if I'm being honest with you. The blushes, it's like I could take it or leave it. They're not bad by any means. And if you just don't have pink blushes in your collection and like the idea of a shimmery blush, you'd probably get down with these. I like that this one's deeper, a little more rich, and this one's a bit more bright. I like that there's a little bit of a range here, but I just think it's kind of like been there, done that, you know? I kind of feel the same way about the So Juicy lip glosses. Again, I feel like they're a little more plumping. I love the glitter in them. It's not crazy prominent, but I definitely do have some specks of glitter on my lips. But they're not gonna look that different. I wish they were sold separately because you definitely don't need a duo if you were to get one, but you kind of have to get a duo and they're all gonna look pretty similar on the lips. But I do think they're cute. It's one of my favorite formulas. It's very comfortable. I like the plumping aspect and it's not too painful or anything. So these are cute. And again, the bubblegum scent wins me over. I'm really excited about these Glitterally Obsessed actually. I don't have any that are exactly like this, so I'll definitely get use out of these. I think they're a lot of fun. I think the packaging is so stinking cute. I'm a big fan of these as well. And finally, the palette. It's very, very pretty. Again, I do wish that the pressed glitter wasn't in here, but overall I do like it. I have to say, I don't really have any negatives. I feel like everything performed nicely. I feel like the shimmers in this specifically are like really creamy feeling, like they blend really nice. They're not super shock shadows, but I just feel like they're very smooth and metallic and blendy. I really like them. I like the colors in here. It's definitely spring vibes for me. I don't really have any complaints. I think it's cute. I'll definitely do an Instagram video at some point, or I guess I'll try to. Can't make promises. I have like a never-ending list, but I'm gonna try to do an Instagram video with this to get another look out for you, but yeah, so far so good. I'm pretty pleased. I don't have anything I'm mad at with this collection. I think it's pretty cute. I think it fits the theme nicely. I like it. I'd love to know what you're thinking though. Do you plan on picking anything up? If so, what do you plan on picking up? Did you watch Lizzie McGuire as a kid? Have you watched the Lizzie McGuire movie recently? And if not, you need to because it's so good. If you made it to the end of this video, leave me a flower emoji because flowers are so prominent in this collection. And if you liked this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's BeAtBe and follow me there. I post every single day. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting most days here as well. Please make sure you're staying informed with everything that's going on in the world. There will be links in my description box that will take you to information and resources and ways in which you can help. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.